We'll guide you through how to fix HP laptop Wi-Fi not working and problems with it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because you're then unable to go and use your laptop, because really to do a lot of things you need to go and have an internet connection. So the Wi-Fi not working can be a really annoying problem. We're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. So make sure this full video, and then without further ado, let's go and get into this. So there can be different scenarios we're covering in this video. You can see I am currently connected. You may be as well, but you'll still find that it's not working. Or you may go and find the Wi-Fi isn't showing any networks, or you may go and find that the option is just missing. We're going to guide you through different fixes you can try. We're keeping this guide broad. So first of all, what we're going to try doing is in this little panel here, when you click, you can simply try turning on airplane mode. Hold it on, leave it on for a few seconds, and then click it again to go and turn it off. And sometimes simply doing that will go and resolve it. If it doesn't, don't worry. The next thing we're going to try doing is you want to go and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in device manager, and you want to go and open it up like this. In here, you want to go and find network adapters just to the left and press the arrow to expand it. Go and find your adapter. So in this case, it's called the Realtek wireless LAN Wi-Fi. You also may be called something slightly different on different models. What you want to do is go and right click on it. Make sure this is enabled. You'll know that because it will go and say disable device. If yours is currently enabled, you can try disabling it, confirm your decision. And then what we're going to do is we'll refresh. You want to go and right click it and just go and enable it. Sometimes doing this can go and refresh things and go and resolve the problem. Hopefully it does. If you're finding it's missing from this list, don't worry. What you can try doing is press action, press scan for hardware changes, go and see if it then finds it. If it still doesn't, don't worry. Or if it does find it but it's still not working, don't worry. Let's get into the next fix. We can close out of this. What you want to do is you want to go and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in services, and you want to go and open it up. In here, you need to go and then scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for WLAN auto config. So as you can see here, it is. Double click on it. You want to make sure the startup's type is set to automatic and that it's currently running. Press start if it isn't. You can then press apply, press OK. Go and see if the problem will now go and be resolved and see if you can now connect. Now, if you're still finding you can't, what we're going to do is we're going to go and open up command prompt. Press search at the bottom and you can go and find command prompt. I've actually got it in recents, but otherwise you need to go and search it. What's super is key though is you run it as administrator. So you can right click on it here and press run as admin, or you can press it over to the right here as well. You'll get a Windows screen pop up, agree to it and press yes. Now we're going to type in some different things here. So go and pay attention closely. What we're going to do is type in IP config space / release. Press enter and that will then go and run. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and type in, I'm just going to go and hide that there actually. We're going to type in IP config space / renew, press enter, and that will then go and run. Next, what we're going to do is go and type in IP config space / flush DNS, and you can then go and press enter. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go and type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK space reset. Then go and press enter, and that's going to go and run through. Now you can come and close out of CMD. And the next thing we're going to do is come to the bottom, and you want to go and find the Windows Start button, click on it, and you want to go and find settings. In here, you want to go to the left and press network and internet. And then in here, you want to go and scroll down and you need to find advanced network settings. And then you want to go and scroll down and we're going to find network resets. You want to go and click here. And what we can try doing is doing this. So you can come over to the right and press reset now. But what this will do is it's going to go and remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards. So you can press reset now and press yes. And during the process, the PC is going to go and be restarted, and that will go and then complete what we did in CMD just a moment ago. So you can go and hopefully get that to go and resolve it. When it goes and restarts, what we can then try doing is connecting again. So you can come down to the bottom right and go and press on the network icon. It'll go and say available, press the arrow to the right, find your network, and hopefully now you can click on it and go and press connect. Now we can go and enter in the password. Of course, if you have forgotten this, you can go and find it on the back of your router, and I'll go and press enter, and we should now be able to go and connect. Now, if you still find that it isn't working, what can be worth doing is restarting your internet router or router itself, and you can try testing it with other networks. There may not be a problem with the laptop itself, but instead with the router. And often a restart will go and allow you to then go and start using it and resolve it not working. If it still isn't working, what you want to do is come to the bottom and you can press the Windows Start button, and you want to go and find settings. Come to the top where it says find a setting, and you want to go and type in troubleshoot, like so, and you can find troubleshoot settings. In here, you want to go and find other troubleshooters. Go and find network and internet, and you can go and press run to the right. And then what we can do is go and run this, and it's going to go and run some tests. You can see mine's connected, but if you're running into problems, you can then go down here and go and run it, and hopefully go and resolve the problem that you're facing. And then it's going to go and be resolved, and you can go and use the internet on your HP laptop. So hope to help this video, the Wi-Fi is now working. It can be really annoying when it isn't, as I said at the start, because to go and be able to access your emails, browse the internet, etc., you need it. But hopefully now it's working. So if you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video if it solved your problem as well. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to put them down below. I look forward to going and checking them out and seeing what you guys have to go and say. I hope you guys have a great day, and you can now go and use the Wi-Fi. Goodbye for now.